Wingstop. Look at that fried corn. It looks so good. This is Wingstop. And I got me some lemon pepper. That's my lemon pepper chicken. Hi world. I am so tired, but I stopped at Wingstop to get me something to eat. So I got some lemon pepper chicken. It's so pretty. I'm gonna taste it. It's hot. Tastes good. Y'all see? Wingstop. Y'all know what? That chicken tastes good. Look at this. Let me taste this corn. Ooh, something on here spicy. Oh my God. Y'all better go get some Wingstop. Okay. This chicken hot too, y'all. It's so good and hot. And look how big they be. Look. Y'all see that? It's hot. So good and hot. Well, good night, world.